Richard, thank you for joining us today.
Thank you very much for having me.
Richard, we're at the One-to-One conference in London. Tell us a little bit more about the company.
Okay, so Strategic Metals is a Yukon-focused project generator and exploration company. So we've been active in the Yukon for over 20 years as Strategic Metals. We're backed by the Archer Cathode Group, which has been active in the Yukon for over 50 years. So our team's been involved in the majority of the discoveries in Yukon, lead, zinc, copper, gold, silver, you name it, we've got it in Strategic Metals. We're one of the largest claim holders up there of over 100 projects, 8 royalty interests. We're cash rich. We've got about $12.5 million in cash, over $20 million in marketable securities. We're also a major shareholder of Rockhaven Resources. They're advancing the highest grade, greater than 1 million ounce deposit ever found in the Yukon. They're expecting an updated resource within the month. Anticipating it's going to be pushing towards a couple million ounces, probably over 2 million ounce gold equivalent, and the deposit is wide open for expansion still. It's got Coeur Mining as a 10% shareholder, came in last year. Strategic holds about 40% of that stock. And yeah, we're very, very excited for that high grade, road accessible resource to continue to expand and hopefully in increasing gold price environment.
So a lot of different elements that you're looking at. What's the purpose of being at One-to-One today?
We're looking for new investors and possible partners for project deals. A big part of Strategic's business model is project generation. So it's finding the early stage targets and then looking for partners to advance those and drill off deposits. And so basically we've been grooming targets, getting them ready, drill permitted, identifying drill targets on the various projects so that when there starts to get some flow back to the early stage exploration, we're the guys that people come to for those projects, and so we're building our inventory.
So milestones for the next 6 to 12 months, what are they for you?
So Strategic's going to be drilling 2 copper projects this summer, so we'll have results from that, as well as surface exploration on 18 other projects that are 100% held by Strategic, as well as exploration programs by Rockhaven Resources and Attack Resources, which we are also a large shareholder of. They both are going to have large drill programs this summer based in Yukon. So lots of news flow coming from us and our group companies. That's for sure.
And how's the One-to-One event been for you?
It's been great. We get to meet a lot of high net worth and institutional investors, as well as new brokerage community out here in London versus the guys that we're typically dealing with in North America. So it's nice to broaden our exposure.
Super. Well, Richard, thanks for your time.
Thank you very much.